Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Microsoft Teams. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows your form submissions to automatically trigger actions in Teams, whether that's sending messages to channels, starting chats, or even creating meetings. It's a great way to keep your team instantly informed without any manual work. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform dashboard. This is where all your forms are stored and managed, so make sure you're signing into the correct account if you have multiple ones. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with all your existing forms displayed. Locate the form you want to integrate with Microsoft Teams and click on it to select it. Then look for the Edit Form button and click it. This will take you into the form builder, which is where you can customize everything about your form, including adding integrations. Now that you're in the form builder, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the settings button, click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select integrations. This is the hub where Jotform connects with hundreds of other apps and services, allowing you to automate your workflows seamlessly. In the integrations area, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type Microsoft Teams into this search bar. As you type, the page will filter the available integrations to show you the relevant options. Once you see the Microsoft Teams integration appear in the results, go ahead and click on it to proceed. After clicking the Microsoft Teams option, you'll be presented with several action choices. These include send message to standard channel, send message to private channel, send chat message, or create meeting. Each of these actions serves a different purpose depending on how you want your form submissions to interact with your team's workspace. Choose the action that best fits your needs, then click Next to continue. The next step is authentication. Click the Authenticate button, which will prompt you to sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. This is necessary so that Jotform can securely access your team's workspace and perform the actions you've set up. Enter your Microsoft Teams login credentials when prompted. Once you've successfully signed in, click Next to move forward. You may need to wait a moment while the authentication process completes and the connection is established between Jotform and Microsoft Teams. Finally, review your integration settings to make sure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, click the Save button to activate the integration. This finalizes the setup, and from this point forward, any new submissions to your form will automatically trigger the action you selected in Microsoft Teams. And there you have it. Your Jotform is now fully integrated with Microsoft Teams, allowing you to streamline communication and keep your team updated in real time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.